Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Acer Nitro 16 how to change keyboard color. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The Acer Nitro 16 allows you to customize the keyboard color using NitroSense. So what you need to do is head over to your start menu and then type in NitroSense. Just simply open up the app. Now once you open up the app here, what you need to do is tap on or click on this pulsar lightning tab. Then here you will be able to choose your preferred color and lightning effects. You can choose from static, dynamic, wave, breathing, neon, etc. Then you can adjust brightness and speed if available. Then click apply to save changes. Now if you don't see the keyboard color option, your model may not have RGB lighting. Some Nitro 16 models only have red backlighting. Ensure NitroSense is updated from Acer support website. If it only has red lighting, you cannot change the color, but you can adjust brightness using function plus F9 and F10. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.